Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And with my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and my saving challenges that I am saving for different things throughout the year. So let's get to saving. All right. So first we have our Save Every Friday of 2025. This is created by Mandy's Money _budgets on Etsy. And I am going to save, because I forgot the kind of behind on my videos. I'm going to save the 9 and the 2 for $11. Let's do yellow. So let's do the 9 and the 2 for 11. So 10 and 11. Perfect. All right, and I did make my extra payment for my debt. Check out my debt binder video and you will see how much money I got to put towards debt for the month of April and my progress, how much I am getting that debt down to. So that is some exciting. So next I have my weekly savings, and this is created by Norella's Budgets. So what I am doing is rolling a D8 and save that amount for that week. So I am actually going to save for 2 weeks. So I am trying to play catch up here. So we have 5 and is that an 8? That is $13. Wow. So let's see. 10, 11, 12, 13. Wowzers. And this is I am saving for my son's senior year, which is class of 2026. And also for his senior year, I'm doing this challenge created by Save with Judy. Each icon is $5 and I am so behind. So let's do 5, 10, 15. Let's do 3 icons. So let's do 5, 10, 15. All right. And I don't have an excuse to be behind. I really don't. So let's color this basket. And let's color 2 flowers. Let's do a cute, what should we do? Let's do this purple flower here. It is just raining, which I got the windows open, just can I really color just listening to the rain? So let's color 1 more. Perfect. All right, and that is the $15. Let's see, should I condense this? Let me see, 5, 10, 15, 20. Should I? No, I think I should be okay. Next is the Spring Fling. And this is created by Coco Chic Living. What's going on here? All right. I think I lost my paper clip somewhere. There we go. Come on now. All right. So let's go ahead and put see, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put $8 in here again. So let's do this flower, the blue flower, and the pink flower. And put $8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just because we are playing catch up with the other challenges. And this money just goes towards anything that's happening, like carnivals, fairs. I know we have a chicken wing fest like we like to go to, and a bacon fest. So something exciting. I want to make sure I save for those things. See, I still, okay, I'm not doing too bad. So I am going to put the $20 into the Christmas Savings Challenge. And this is created by Mischief Managed Budget and Champagne's Corner. And we are going to go here. And I tried to put $20 in here when the budget allows. So let's put our 20 and let's get to scratching. Let's do this happy little oh, a 10. Okay. So mine is 10. So 10 more dollars. So the highest we can get on here is 10. So we can scratch another one. And that is 7. And this page says 65. So mine is 7. So I have $3 left. So we don't want to chance it. So that's 3 to 9. That's a rolling save. Oh, the highest is 4. These are 5s and 10s. So we're going to go here and put the $3 here. So 3 is the green. Oh, I don't think it was that green. I think it was this one. Perfect. And then minus 3. And that is our $20. So I'm just let that hang out. All right, next is say 2025 and 2025. And this is going towards my taxes for next year. So let me see. I at least want to put 30. Let me see. I got 20. Okay, 30. Oh, 33. So should I put the whole 33 in here? Let me see. Because I did add a new challenge, and this is School is Cool. So I am starting right now. I'm getting head start or saving for back to school. So this be my son's senior year, and I know he's a big boy, so new clothes, shoes, and all that. So I want to get a head start. This is created by Lemon Ivy, and it says 80. Do it have a 3 on here? It has a 2. Oh, it has a 3. Okay, so maybe I will just put $30 in here. Let's see. The highest is 26. Should I just put the, or should I just, yeah, let's just put 26. We'll do it like that. 20, rally car, 25, 26. So let's put 26 in here. And let's do this one here. Perfect. Oh, so 26 goes in here. And let's put the last $5, $6, $7. Let's see if we have a 7. And we do. We do. All right, so these are the stickers. So we are going to put, we either got, it looks like a, what you call that? A crayon box, or the calculator and books. Let's do that one. Oh, and if I forgot to say, this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. So let's put the $7 here. Perfect. 5, 6, and 7. So we get that one started. All right. Yeah, I want to get started early with saving for back to school items, because clothes and school supplies is expensive. So I just want to get a head start on that. All right, gems, and just like that, $100 saved in my year of savings. And yeah, so thanks everyone for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.